Okay, hello and welcome sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. This is the last of the series of our sandwich recipes, diba? So by this time, tapos na tayo dun sa tuna spread. We had the egg and luncheon meat. So for today, yung gagawin natin is chicken sandwich. So yung typical chicken sandwich, diba, is normally with pickled relish. So now, what we're gonna do differently is we're gonna marinate the chicken breast and grill it and then mix it up with some mayonnaise. So again, I'm using my homemade Italian seasoning. So if you look at it, it's just all chopped up. Pero, syempre, hindi ko kayo pababayaan. Kung wala kayo niyan, you can utilize any of these dried. Yeah, you can just use any of those dried if you don't have. It's just that sayang lang. So I'm putting mustard. I'm adding the parents. Mix it all up. I'm just gonna put pepper. Pepper. Naghihingalo na yung pepper milk ko. So we just want it to be peppery. And I'm gonna put some salt. Yeah. So again, kung imagine mo yung ref natin, marami na tayong laman. May tuna spread, merong egg and luncheon meat. So this is another sandwich na pwede mong ilagay sa ref. So I'm just gonna add probably just a little bit para lang magkaroon ng flavor. And then from here, so basically, we're just gonna marinate the chicken. So this is just 2 chicken breasts. Cook it, and then we're gonna cut it up, mix it with some mayonnaise, onions, white onions, and some celery. No? So from here, I hope mainit na yung pan. So we're just gonna grill it. Kung meron kayong griller, well and good, but I'm just gonna use a pan. So, there. And while that's grilling, I'm just gonna wash this para magamit natin to. One way to do it is you can make it straight into a sandwich using this. Wala nang mayonnaise. We can do that also. It's one way of doing it. There. Adding lang more pepper. I like it ma-pepper. So, medyo thick cut to. So, probably about 4 minutes on each side. And then flip it over. So, I don't wanna flip it now. Kasi baka mamaya dumikit. Kasi nga yung chicken breast natin has no skin. No? So, we actually just got chicken breast fillet. Careful lang tayo. Yan. So, nice. Look at the herbs. You can smell it, diba? Yan. Para lang may grill effect. Just gonna put some pepper. Actually, nag-iisip ako if I should make this straight or just cut it into strips. Hindi ko pa naisip. But probably I'll cut it into strips. I'll just lower this fire and I'll just start preparing. White onions. And mayonnaise. And we're gonna add there the chicken later. I'm just gonna mix it. So, if you taste this, wala pa talaga siyang flavor. All the flavors are really just gonna come from the kitchen. So, this, I just have to wash kasi raw kami na yung chicken. Let me use another tong kasi medyo cook na. So, I'm just gonna flip it. Yeah. So, we're cooking it a little bit more. Make our sandwich. While we're waiting, lalapag ko na to. There we go. Let's wait. 2 more minutes and we're done. This is adding just to make sure may lasa yung manok natin. Add the pepper. Yeah. So lahat ng taste of the sandwich spread will be just coming from this grilled chicken. You can smell it. One last thing. This one, I'm just gonna put it here, and I'll probably wait for a minute just to wait for it to cool down, or else baka mag-break yung mayonnaise natin. At saka just to make sure it really cooks through inside. Diba? Parang mag-settle. Kasi kakagaling lang niya sa heat. Just wait for a minute and we're done. While we're cooling it down, gagawa muna tayo ng salad. Okay, naubos ko ng lettuce. Para lang we mix it with some salad. And this could be actually your dinner. Just a sandwich and salad. Yeah, nice and juicy. See, that's how chunky our sandwich will be. That's how we want it to be. I'm just putting all the juices para pati yung mga taste ng marinade sayang. Nice. Nice. There you go. Yeah. So if you notice, it's a very chunky cut. And I don't mind. Kasi it's a hearty sandwich eh. The only reason kaya ako siya hinahalo with the mayonnaise is because parang I wanted like a ready-made spread na pwede mong itago sa ref. Tapos anytime, you know, somebody comes in, you can actually just whip up a sandwich really quick. Even for dinner, diba? You could just use this for dinner. Diba? So here are basically just sandwich spreads that you can actually use and place in the refrigerator. Yun yung gusto natin. Inaano ko lang yung juices. Yun. So, yeah. Just gonna mix it up. Look at how hearty the sandwich is. Nice, no? So, I wanted the chicken to cool down a little bit kasi nga baka hindi masyadong creamy na yung ating mayonnaise. So, here you go. Circle chicken. So, now we will assemble our sandwich. Tsaka rich. Tapos, cheese. Mabilis na yan. There. Mabilis lang, diba? Then, we just cut the cheese. Hindi ko ginawang triangles. Wala lang. There. Very easy lang, huh? So we try to just, you know, when you're assembling this, you try to flatten it kasi mahirap. Slice, diba? So, and since it's chunky, medyo challenging. But, you know, gusto ko lang may bite, diba? Yung ating sandwich. Hindi yung parang maliliit na pang cuts. There. Ginagandaan ko lang yung pag-line up. Okay. Here you go. The chicken sandwich with cheese and just a side salad. Ito yung dinner namin. It's time to taste it. See you later. Kain na kami.
Dinner is ready. Wow. I will get this piece. Chicken with cheese. Let's taste it. Tasty. Very delicious. Pwede. Pwede. I'll let you as chef.
Will you hire me?
Yes, definitely. I will hire you. But you might be expensive. Kailangan mas may discount.
Pwede natin pag-usapan.
Oh, sige.
Bye.